beautiful. Oh.
Hey, what happened?
Where we bring you the most fascinating and hilarious feathered moments from around the world. Kicking things off today, we have a cheeky cockatoo gently preening its unlikely owl companion, proving that the desire for social connection in the avian world can easily cross species lines. While cockatoos are highly social flock birds, owls are generally solitary hunters, making this delicate grooming session an incredibly rare and beautiful display of interspecies trust.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In what might be the most unusual dental appointment ever recorded, this remarkably gentle cockatoo is using its powerful, curved beak with surgical precision to help extract a loose tooth.
She got it! Good job, Bill!
Fica parado, ó. Pera aí, ó. Uma foto. Fica parada. Não olha pra... Não olha pra ele. Fica parada.
Fucker. Don't walk.
Standing tall and refusing to back down, this brave African gray parrot is holding its ground against a household cat, showcasing the intense territorial confidence these birds possess.
Okay, we know you gotta go poopy. Let's go. Had to tell him about Bartholomew. We forgot about him in the last video. Go poopy. That was a big one. Yeah, that was a big one.
Watch as this vibrant Eclectus parrot tackles a complex acrylic gravity puzzle to retrieve a hidden treat, perfectly translating its natural foraging instincts into modern problem-solving skills. In the wild, parrots spend a massive portion of their day figuring out how to crack open tough nuts and extract seeds.
What are you doing?
Zeca.
It is not every day you see a brilliant household companion face to beak with an apex predator. But our African gray friend seems understandably cautious next to this majestic bald eagle. Fun fact, unlike the ear-piercing screams of macaws or cockatoos, Senegal parrots are generally considered the introverts of the parrot world, preferring quiet whistles, clicks, and soft chatters over loud, dramatic displays.
32 years old.
2 years old. Give him a kiss. Give him a dog.
Bro.
Say go night night.
Go night night. Oh my
Why didn't he do it? Why didn't he do it when I said it? That's the one that really trips your mind.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Handstand in the back somersault.
Sure.
Things. Handstand. Back up.
No way. No way,
How about
bro.
this? How about this one? Birdie juggling. You ready for birdie juggling? Don't try this at home. They don't like it. Oh, I don't. I've had him for 32 years.
Bro. Crazy,
Give
dude.
him a shot. Please don't go. No, just go.
No, bro. Crazy.
Turn around and let him get a shot.
I didn't do anything to you.
Dude, that's so sick.
Melting into an absolute puddle of bliss during a gentle head massage, this incredibly vibrant Lori is engaging in a behavior that mimics mutual flock preening.
来，先把尿不湿换一下。
Getting strapped into a custom-made flight suit might seem a bit unusual, but it allows this adventurous green-cheeked conure to safely explore the house and satisfy its natural curiosity without leaving any messy surprises behind. Training a bird to comfortably wear a harness or suit requires immense patience and a deep foundation of trust. Fun fact, parrots possess zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward, which essentially gives them hands, allowing them to grasp objects, manipulate tools, and climb with acrobatic agility.
好嘞，去吧。
Taking a luxurious splashing bath while lying entirely on its back, this little feathered friend is demonstrating a hilarious but vital part of daily avian hygiene. Bathing helps birds distribute natural oils, remove dander, and realign the microscopic barbs of their feathers to maintain their aerodynamic shape. Most birds possess a special uropygeal gland located at the base of their tail, which secretes a waterproofing oil that they meticulously spread over their entire body using their beak.
I'm right here.
Come here.
This is as close as I'm gonna get, baby. I think you're gonna bite my toes.
This feisty Amazon parrot is showing off some classic, highly focused ground foraging behavior, although in this particular case, the target seems to be a very elusive pair of human toes. Parrots often go through hormonal phases where their territorial instincts kick into high gear, leading to these funny, albeit slightly painful, ambushes.
No, baby.
Nothing.
I love you. I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's why.
What's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No.
I'm sorry.
What's
Yeah,
that?
see?
Caught in a moment of pure romance, these two stunning Indian ringneck parakeets are exchanging sweet courtship behaviors, complete with rapid eye pinning that signals they are highly excited and engaged.
Pete, what are you doing?
Boldly demonstrating the laws of physics, this mischievous parrot is engaging in the classic avian pastime of throwing objects off the edge of the furniture. While it looks like naughty behavior to us in the wild, birds drop items from heights to test the ripeness of fruits, or to crack open hard-shelled nuts on the rocks below.
Well, that's great. Well done, buddy. You're not.
In a heartwarming display of interspecies friendship, Ringneck is affectionately attempting to regurgitate and feed the Senegal parrot, a profound gesture that signifies deep trust and acceptance into its chosen flock. Birds do not just share food, they share their social standing through these nurturing acts. From riding a miniature bicycle and sinking a tiny basketball to dropping coins in a piggy bank, this incredibly clever bird is proving that positive reinforcement training can unlock truly mind-blowing cognitive abilities. These elaborate tricks go far beyond simple mimicry, requiring balance, logic, and a clear understanding of sequence and reward. Fun fact: extensive scientific research has shown that some parrot species possess the problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and emotional intelligence equivalent to a 3 to 5-year-old human child.